Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. I was thinking today, after a couple of those little bit harder maybe landscapes and more demanding paintings, I thought we could do this, well, no-brainer, just easy bookmarks with some doodles, cactus doodles, and I think this will be fun just to relax today and, well, don't think about anything. And as always, I've pre-sketched my doodles and, well, you know, that is what I do. I like to pre-sketch my doodles. So I will be putting it in an upper right corner so you can see how the doodles will look at the end. Well, something like that, of course, because, you know, that is just a reference. And, well, it helps me to choose where to place my colors. And as you can see, I was using some azure, later on some green and olive green, and then at the end some Mars brown for the lowest part. And then I'm just sprinkling some paint and then some clean water. Right now I'm sprinkling clean water and the paper is not completely dried. I dried it slightly, and then before it dried completely I've added some splatters with water, and you can see, especially on the right one, how it all looks and gives these beautiful blooms, which I love. When the paint completely dries, I will be doing my doodles, and for that I'm using a Micron pen. This is the number 03, a little bit maybe too thin. If you have a thicker one, go ahead and use a thicker one. I don't have it, so I'm using a thinner one. Well, I guess it's really time to get a thicker one. And I'm just drawing my doodles. As you can see, I am using that pre-sketched doodles to go on with mine here. And when I was placing the paint on the first layer, I was just looking to place it here and there where it suits my doodles. Since I will be painting a second layer on my doodles and just adding a little bit of the color around it, I am using an ink pen that is not water soluble, that is waterproof. And well, if you don't have a waterproof marker of any sort, I advise you not to do your doodles with a marker just yet, but maybe just with a pencil, and later on when we finish our second layer, you go on your pencil traces, pencil marks, and just draw your doodles. But just make sure that that the paper is completely dry, because otherwise, if you use right now a marker that is water soluble, well, of course, you will smudge your doodles and it won't look nice at the end. And you know, I thought this cactus could have a little bit of flowers, and you know, this one was really fun. I loved drawing this one, and just tapping in, adding some dots. You know, this is just so fun to watch. I love watch doodling, even if it's my own. So because, you know, I'm recording this voiceover later on, so I'm also watching this, and I actually find it to be quite relaxing watching other people doodle. So I hope you think the same and you're enjoying it as I am. I also do love plants of any sort, so I was just the other day doing my gardening. Well, my gardening on my balcony. There are actually some herbs and some flowers, and I even have some couple of strawberries. Love it, so fun. And there is something extra and special when you put your hands into that soil and plant that little plant, that cute little, you know, creature. I think that's a creature. You know, plants are creatures, and well, it just gives me so much pleasure. So, well, I don't know why I'm saying that right now, but I just wanted to say that I do love those plants, and every day I sit on my balcony now and I'm just enjoying that. I'm just talking to them. And you know, people say that talking to your plants is good because, you know, they feel it all day, feel the vibrations. So I was just enjoying myself, and I do enjoy myself. I drink my coffee, afternoon coffee, on my balcony now, and just talk to my plants like a crazy lady. So right now I am adding that second layer, and I'm using some olive green and green to go on into my cactuses. And I'm not even trying to go inside the lines, or if you go also outside the lines, that is also fine. You don't have to paint the entire one, because, you know, these are fun and loose doodles, so we're not trying to paint it just in the lines and perfectly. And well, I tapped in also a little bit of Mars Brown, and the pot I'm painting in Azure. And again, adding a little bit of color here and there. Also, and I'm saying that all the time, well, don't be bothered with the colors I'm using. You don't even have to use any green if you don't want for your cactuses. Your cactuses can be brown, they can be pink. Why not? You know, this is just fun and enjoyable painting and doodling sessions, so you can use any colors you like. And just, well, don't be bothered with the colors I'm using. And if you not just for this one, but you know, in general, if you don't know what colors to use and you're lost with your colors and thinking, wow, what am I gonna use, what is she using, and you have a reference photo you want to paint on and you're not sure what colors to choose, I do have a tutorial on that, on alternative colors, and that might help you in choosing your colors and maybe even different colors that aren't on your reference photo. Maybe it could help, so I will put the link down in the description box for that video. Go ahead and check it out. Maybe it will just give you some, you know, little freedom and make it easier on you to choose colors. And at the end, of course, I'm doing a couple of sprinkles because, you know, we all love sprinkles. And with that, I'll be finishing off this video, these bookmarks. And thank you guys a lot for watching, for all your support. I hope you liked this video and I didn't bug you too much. And if you do, please hit the like and share it, comment. And I always love to see your comments. Whatever you have to say, I do love it, and it always makes me so happy to see all your opinions and your advices. So do that, please comment, and if you haven't still, please subscribe to my channel. That would really mean a lot to me. And well, without further ado, I hope I'll see you next time. Bye.